Darlene here from Darlene's Garden. In yesterday's video, I told you that my hubby had gone to town and I had given him a very specific list of what I wanted him to get for me. I wanted 1 6-pack of marigolds, 1 cauliflower start and 1 broccoli start, and a super tunia, any color. And I told you that it's always a surprise what he brings home when I give him a list. So let's see what he brought. So this is it. He got 2 6-packs of marigolds instead of 1. And instead of 1 broccoli plant, he brought me a 4-pack. Actually, it's a 6-pack. There's 4 cells, but each of these have 2 plants, and this has one plant each. So there's 6 plants in there. The store didn't have any cabbage, and he had no clue what a super tunia was, and neither did whoever he asked to help him at the store. It obviously wasn't the lady who runs the outdoor garden part. So in just a little while I will get these planted. Right now I also have to get my pepper plants uncovered. It's supposed to be a little warmer today, but it's been yesterday and today both. Well, the day before and yesterday, the highs were in just mid-60s, and the lows were in mid to low 40s. Well, the day before, not last night, but the night before, we got down to 39. So obviously my peppers needed to be covered. Probably wouldn't have hurted the tomatoes either, but the tomatoes they can stand the cold, as long as it's not a frost, better than the peppers. So let's get these peppers uncovered. Okay, and everything is still doing just fine under here. So I think I will put one marigold in each tote, and then the rest I will put in. I might put 3 of them in that tower and 3 of them in this tower. And I was going to put my super tunia in the top of one of these towers, but obviously I don't have a super tunia. So that's the way it goes. In a previous video, I showed you that my sage is blooming. It is such a pretty bloom. And the sage smells really good too. And happy birthday to my arugula. Yes, it's coming up. Arugula. Other things in here haven't sprouted yet, but I am fairly sure that they will. Okay, I got all of the marigolds planted, one in each of the totes. And two in each tower. And all of the broccoli is also planted. Everything is watered in. Well, it was good to get a little bit of color, albeit just a little bit, in my garden today. And I pray that those plants and the ones that are all there do well and prosper. I hope your gardens are doing what you want them to do. I enjoy watching your videos. I appreciate those of you who tell us about your failures along with your successes, because it is in those failures that we grow. We learn what possibly not to do. Not all the failures are gardener-induced. Some of them are nature-induced. Regardless, the successes, we can owe it all to God, because He's the one that makes it grow. And may His wonderful love and blessings completely surround you. Will it grow? Indeed it will. Until my next video, this is Darlene, signing out. Have a wonderful day.